Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Avionics Tech Channel.
Despite being introduced in the mid-1950s at the height of the Cold War, the Boeing B-52 straddle fortress remains in service to this day as one of the most recognizable long-range bombers in aviation history. That said, its role has changed quite a bit over the years, with the 159-foot-long, 185-foot wingspan aircraft undergoing many updates and modifications. One of the most impressive of these is the addition of the Common Strategic Rotary Launcher, or CSRL. The CSRL is essentially a giant rotary missile storage unit that is installed into the B-52's Bombay. The bay measures an impressive 1,043 cubic feet and was originally designed to carry around 70,000 pounds of bombs. Acting almost like the cylinder of a handgun, the CSRL can be rotated freely, allowing the pilot or gunner of the B-52 to select from a range of different missiles and bombs depending on the given situation. The CSRL unit is preloaded with ordnance and then brought out to the waiting B-52, which has been fitted with a special internal system that can hold, rotate, and deploy the CSRL. The CSRLs themselves are extremely complex devices, and they must undergo hours of preparation by trained technicians before being loaded with munitions. At times, maintenance squadrons in the U.S. military will be asked to practice loading the CSRL into a waiting B-52. This exercise aims to further familiarize the team with how the equipment works while proving to the senior officers that they can perform under pressure in the event of an emergency. It would be imperative for the B-52 to get loaded and airborne in as little time as possible. Therefore, this type of practice is essential to the team's overall combat readiness. Got him a fully loaded CSRL typically weighs tens of thousands of pounds, which necessitates special remote load lifters to move and install even. So, the entire process requires the work and supervision of multiple ground crew. It's hard to overstate just how formidable a CSRL-equipped B-52 is. At the touch of a button, the bomber can switch from conventional heavy bombs to laser-guided missiles to GPS-driven cruise missiles and more. This allows the B-52 crew to attack a wealth of different targets all over a given area in just a few minutes, combined with its long range and mid-air refueling capabilities. The addition of the CRL turns one of the oldest aircraft in the United States fleet into a true modern flying fortress. The Air Force has long relied on bombs to strike targets from the air, but the invention of rocket and jet-powered missiles changed the face of warfare forever. Furthermore, planes and helicopters now had another option to engage other aircraft where they previously only had machine guns. Missiles first entered the world of aerial combat in the 1950s, That's when AIM for Falcon, AIM 7 Sparrow, and AIM 9 Sidewinder became fairly standard aboard US military planes.